Hey there, everybody. It is Sunday. I'm just doing a few more things in the yard. And, is it clickbait if it's true? Today's haul was not impressive. We only found 2. Which, I suppose, bad news for these guys. Good news for us in that, I'm not finding a whole mess of hornworms on the tomatoes just yet. But I thought I'd show you guys what it is that we're doing with these suckers. So, welcome back to the duck yard, everybody. We have some of the sunflowers in bloom. We have duck jail mostly completed. Sides turned up for a little bit of airflow, but Casa de Duck for the grow out pen. It's not overnight safe, but you can see where we've lashed the tarp down on one side. We do have it secured in betweensies, I guess. There's a little bit of weight on top, but these guys don't overnight in it. They just go in to their coop in the evening. And here come the other littles. These are the littler littles. So that is Sade and her little babes. So just as we were doing with the boys earlier this season, we're just cycling the babies. Oh, look, it's the one with the glasses. I want to say it's a girl because of how they're walking. And if you're not familiar with Muscovies, that's actually one of the ways to tell before they're fully grown. Maybe we'll go into that if you guys are interested. But so, she sees me. She sees me with a bucket. So, over here, near the wattle fence, we just have, really, it's a sad looking little tomato. But that's what we're doing, guys. We have some spare tomatoes. All of the suckers that we pull go into the duck yard, basically. And we have a few trapped tomatoes, I guess, on the outer edges of the yard in the sunnier spots, so that we can catch these guys with an easier meal that is not near the intensive grown tomatoes. So we catch them out in the edges, and we bring them down in here. And when I move, she and the babes might come take a peek. But so, if these guys survive the gauntlet that is the ducks, because they do kind of like these guys, the tomato hornworms. But if the tomato hornworms survive this additional gauntlet of ducks and ducklings that are curious and hungry, then they will turn into some kind of sphinx moth, or a hummingbird moth, which is a day and night pollinator. And yeah, they are a super important species, the hornworms and their ilk. So it's good to appreciate them. It's good from a management standpoint to remove them from things that are crucial to your food supply or for market purposes if you're a nursery or a grower. But there is a cause to be adhered, a cause to be championed for continuing the life cycles of these less than stellar in certain forms, but stellar in other forms of pollinators and life forms in all of their stages. So I just encourage you to be that person on your block. And yeah, till next time, thanks for watching. Happy planting. This is why we're still separating. It's the moms who are jerks. The babies seem fine. Though, you can kind of see the size difference.